Recent studies are creating a surge of excitement with jaw-dropping revelations about krill oil. This tiny powerhouse is proving to offer benefits beyond what we ever imagined. And in this video, I'm going to walk us through the latest scientific discovery on krill oil and how you can use it to optimize your health. And by the end, explain how I take krill oil to get most of the benefits. Krill oil is an incredible oil that is derived from a very tiny crustacean called antarctic krill, and this oil is actually a great source of nutrients like omega-3 fatty acid, EPA and DHA. Now, along with omega-3 fatty acid, it's also a great source of nutrients like choline as well as astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a very powerful and potent antioxidant, and in fact, astaxanthin has been proven to be 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C and 100 times more potent than vitamin E in scavenging free radicals. So let's get into some of these latest discoveries, some of the latest benefits of krill oil. Number one is heart health. Now, from a nutritional standpoint, omega-3 fatty acid from krill oil is actually the main driver when it comes to heart health. Unlike omega-3 fatty acid in fish oil, which is bound to triglyceride backbone, the omega-3 fatty acid in krill oil is actually bound to a phospholipid backbone. This unique chemical nature gives krill oil an edge in bioavailability. Now, it's been clinically proven that krill oil actually boosts omega-3 fatty acid index, and that is very huge because raising that index from just 4% to 8% can actually reduce your risk of fatal coronary heart disease by up to 30%. Now, here is where everything gets really interesting. In a recent randomized controlled placebo trial, the largest of its kind, actually looked at the effectiveness of krill oil omega-3 fatty acid in patients with severe hypertriglyceridemia, basically in patients with high levels of triacylglycerol. In this study, 520 patients were randomly assigned to take 4 grams of krill oil, which equals to 4,000 milligrams of krill oil or placebo capsule daily for 26 weeks. And the result of this study was actually impressive. The finding reveals that patients consuming krill oil actually experience a significant reduction in their triacylglycerol level with an average decrease of 12.7% over the 26 weeks period. Now, the other interesting thing that was also observed was that krill oil was well tolerated by the participants in this study. So this makes krill oil a great idea for treating cardiovascular diseases without having to worry about any side effects. Now, in an additional study which was concluded earlier, this study also found that krill oil reduced the 3 markers of cardiovascular diseases, which are high blood pressure, high triglycerol, and high cholesterol. Okay, so by taking krill oil, be rest assured that that is going to help lower all of those markers of cardiovascular diseases. The next benefit we are going to look at is muscle function. Now, as we age, we experience a slow deterioration of our muscle mass and muscle function. And interestingly, previous study observed that EPA and DHA supplementation have astronomical impact on muscle function, including protein synthesis, muscle mass, as well as muscle strength. However, in a recent randomized controlled placebo trial with 102 older adults, which looked at the effect of krill oil supplementation on their muscle function, so these adults were taking 4 grams of krill oil daily for 6 months, and the result of this study was also mind-blowing. The participants of this study also saw a 10.9% increase in their grip strength, 9.3% increase in their knee extensor strength, and 3.5% increase in their thigh muscle thickness. So this means that taking krill oil is also very beneficial for your muscle function. And this study also observed that there was 61% increase in their omega-3 fatty acid index, and that is also very huge because that can also translate to better heart function. So this study is yet another evidence that taking krill oil can help preserve muscle function and muscle mass even as we age. Next up is brain function. Now, about 66% of the brain weight is actually made up of phospholipid, which is either bound to choline or omega-3 fatty acid. And what's interesting is that krill oil is actually a great source of all of these nutrients: phospholipid, omega-3 fatty acid, and choline. And all of these nutrients are very important in brain development, nerve signaling, cellular function, and brain function. Now, omega-3 fatty acids like DHA is highly concentrated in the brain where they partake in brain development, while omega-3 fatty acids like EPA is usually involved in reducing inflammation, and that is very good because by reducing inflammation, that is going to preserve your cognitive function. Okay, now there is a robust association between low omega-3 fatty acid and cognitive impairment. So the best thing to do is by taking krill oil because it's a great source of omega-3 fatty acid. Alright, the next benefit of krill oil we are going to look at is its ability to fight against inflammation. Now this benefit is less of its omega-3 fatty acid and more of its astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a red pigment carotenoid that gives krill oil its distinctive red color. And in fact, astaxanthin is actually one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidants you could ever find in nature. So if you are having inflammation and inflammation-related issues like arthritis, gastritis, vasculitis, or joint pain, astaxanthin and omega-3 fatty acid is going to help overcome all of these problems. So start taking krill oil. Now the next benefit of krill oil is its remarkable ability to improve vision. Omega-3 fatty acids like DHA are highly concentrated in the retinal part of the eye, which allows us to see. But the problem is that these omega-3 fatty acids, these DHA, are very susceptible to oxidation. So because of this, we need constant supplementation of omega-3 fatty acid. And fortunately, krill oil is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids like DHA, which is very important for vision. But the other thing that is also very interesting is that astaxanthin from krill oil is also very good in fighting against these free radicals which can result in this oxidation in your eye, because this astaxanthin can actually target the mitochondria in your eyes and help scavenge all of these free radicals, thereby improving your vision. Now the other benefit of astaxanthin is that it also helps reduce inflammation in your eyes and also helps improve blood flow in your eye. So omega-3 fatty acid and astaxanthin from krill oil are very important in improving your vision. Now, along with all of those benefits, krill oil also has anti-cancer properties. It helps reduce fatty liver. It's also very good for your skin. Now, back to how I take krill oil for maximum benefit. The omega-3 fatty acid in krill oil, EPA and DHA, are actually fat. So the best way to take krill oil is actually by pairing it with a fatty meal, preferably with your breakfast. Now, if you take krill oil on an empty stomach, you are most likely not going to get all of those maximum benefits, all of those essential nutrients. So the best way to take them is by pairing them with a fatty meal, preferably in the morning along with your breakfast. And the amount of krill oil I actually take is 5,000 milligrams of krill oil every single day. That is going to give me all of those benefits. Okay, now if you have been taking krill oil or you plan on taking them, or if you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment below. And thanks for watching.